Let's open up a Japanese booster box of Glory of Team Rocket. I got this booster box for 90 bucks. I know that this box was selling for around 200, maybe even 250 about 2 months ago. So you know I had to wait just for the price to come down before I spend that kind of money on a booster box. But anyway, got the packs. Let's go ahead and start ripping. First pack. Cards are pretty nice, the artwork. I just don't think that they're worth 200 for the booster box. That's why I had to wait. Apparently in these booster boxes, you are supposed to get some guaranteed hits. So let's see what we get. So far, no hits. Pack number 4, let's keep it going. Nice, we will take that. That is a good one. Pack number 5, let's keep it going. So far, we've pulled 1 EX. So far. Pack number 6. Okay. We will take that. That is a beautiful card. Pack number 7. Pack 8. Take that. I like that. I like the artwork on that one. 22 packs left. Let's keep going. Pack number 9. Pack 10. Nice. I love that one. That is super cool. Pack 11. Ooh, let's go. I have this in English. I pulled both. That is super fire. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Pack 12. Pack 13. Pack 14. Pack 15, halfway through. Pack 16. Nice. Look at that. Pack 17. Pack 18. Pack number 19, let's go. Pack 20, 10 left. Pack 21. Pack 22.